What is oral cancer screening and why is it important? Did you know that one person dies every hour from oral cancer in the United States, and the mortality rate for oral cancer remains unchanged for more than 40 years? The reason for this is oral cancer is very difficult to detect until it is visible in the mouth, and typically by that time is either disfiguring or life-threatening. As with most cancers, age is the primary risk factor. Although tobacco use is a major predisposing risk factor, 27% of oral cancer victims have no lifestyle risks. According to the American Cancer Society, more women in the United States will be diagnosed with oral cancer this year than will be diagnosed with cervical cancer. There are as many cases of oral cancers caused by HPV virus as there are HPV-related cervical cancers. So now that I've shared those frightening statistics with you, let me tell you about an advanced oral cancer screening used in our office in addition to the standard visual exam we do each time you're in for a dental cleaning. The oral cancer screening is an easy and painless exam that utilizes a multispectral fluorescence process in addition to reflectance technology that can dramatically improve our ability to recognize oral cancer below the tissue level. As with all early detections of precancerous tissue that can minimize or eliminate potentially disfiguring effects of oral cancer and possibly even save your life. We recommend having a cancer screening annually for all patients over the age of 17. Ask us more about this life-saving technology at your next appointment.